What's going on, guys? I want to show y'all something, kind of what's inside the Predator Series exhaust from RLS Exhaust. I know y'all are interested in what you're actually buying. So, to start, 304 stainless steel resonator canister. You see it's a perforated, baffled. Okay. Here's the tip. Also, see if you can see in there the baffling. Okay, so we got two stages of baffle here. No, that doesn't really fit, so I take it over here to this machine. I fit those together just like they should be, really tight. Like so. Now I'll TIG weld around this circumference right here. Now you'll have a two-stage system. And I'll also incorporate this mid pipe, which I've already flared the end to fit to the, I use the same machine over here. Flare this end to use to fit up to your gasket. Now I still have not welded on my clips yet, but these hook up like so. And then I'll put this into the jig over here, and then incorporate the mounting bracket on the top, weld all that together along with the hooks at the same time, and this will be a finished product when it comes out of the, basically when it comes out of the jig, everything will be tacked, then I'll take it to the vise, then I'll finish welding at every one of the joints. But that's the process in building one of these Predator series. I take three components here, some mounting rods, a flat plate, and I weld it all together. You know, like I've told y'all before, I outsource to a different country to buy my parts. And then I take these parts and I put them together here in my little shop to build these custom exhausts for you. So, y'all seen these in the past for $259. The price has increased a little bit to $289. Still very affordable. Also available in a black ceramic coat. Now I'm just gonna rotate this thing right over here like so. And I'm gonna grab one of these off of the rack. Now, these exhausts were built last week and have been ceramic coated, and they have been curing over the weekend. And this is a finished product. This is a Predator series in black ceramic coat. Now, as you see, I've got a little bit of a protective covering right there over that end. That way when I paint it, it doesn't get painted. But check that out. Predator series in black ceramic coat. Now I'm going to show you the video of what these things sound like and give you an idea of what are you getting for that $289. So here we go. Let's go over to that video now. Okay guys, now that you've watched the video and you've seen, you know, a drive-by, an idle, and a ride down the road, What's your opinion on this product? What do you think about RLS Exhaust Predator Series? Is it something that might interest you? Don't like the look, maybe? Okay. Well, go to rlsexhaust.com and maybe there's something else there that you do like, because I got many options. I try to do what other people don't do. There you go. That's what I try to do. So, if you don't like this, I don't blame you. Hey, we don't all like the same things. That's just the way this world spins. Tilted. You know what I'm saying? That's the way it is. So, one thing that I try to do that other companies don't is I try to give you a bunch of options. I don't want you to look at my product and go, I can have this or this. I think I will have this or this. This is it. This is it. This is the only thing. No, I don't want to be that guy. I want you to go, ooh, look at this one. Let's watch a video on it. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, look at that one. Ooh. Exactly. That's what I want you to do. I want you to be like blown away by all the options and all the sounds. If I can do that, believe me, I'm doing something right. You know what I'm saying? And I know it. So, I'm enjoying this. I enjoy this every day. That's one thing that I can say that I'm so lucky. I've built a career for myself that I can do what I want, when I want, how I want. And it is the most fulfilling career that anyone could ask for, having the ability to do that. Now, is it stressful? What job is not going to be stressful if you're the boss and you're the laborer and you're the shipper and yeah, of course. Yeah, it's stressful, but most fulfilling. I appreciate all the positive reviews that you guys have given me, all the positive feedback. You guys keep me smiling like this right here. Yeah, and that makes this job fun to do. I enjoy it. I want to create new stuff coming. Don't think for a second that it's not. I've been pursuing a couple of new things for the website. I'm not going to say anything yet about what I'm going to put on there because I thought I was going to do things long ago that I didn't do, that I said I was going to do, and I got ahead of myself, and now I haven't done them. And so I'm not going to say. But hey, thank y'all for checking in today. Like I said, check out rlsexhaust.com. Many things there to choose from for your Ryker or your Can-Am or your sport bike. If you have a Ryker, cool air intakes. I have radiator grill protection. I have air vent accents that match the radiator grill protection. I sell those now in kits for $99. I have now included that K&N air filter with that cool air intake. Now there's an option for that. Now you can just choose the whole thing. You don't have to be like, well, I don't know what to get. I took all that out of the thing. I didn't want anyone to be like, I don't know what filter to get. So now I'm offering the filters. I got like 10 of them over here. I went ahead and bought them ahead. That way I can just ship them out with the product. No questions. You don't have to worry about it. You got what you need. All right. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for checking in again today to see my new video. Whoa, easy mosquito. Get away from me. Man, they're ridiculous in my shop. It's been raining a lot lately. With this weather comes the mosquitoes here in Texas. So, you guys, y'all have a great Labor Day weekend. Labor Day tomorrow. Enjoy it. I'll probably be laboring because that's what my grandpa always told me that Labor Day was. A day to get your butt right back to work. That's what he used to say. So, anyway, I'm sure he said it nicer than that. But y'all have a great day. And if y'all are riding, enjoy the ride.